Hello friends, welcome to VTech Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example on the graphs of linear inequations. So here we have to draw the graph of the inequation y is greater than or equal to x plus 4. So in order to draw the graph of this inequation, first let us draw the graph of the equation y is equal to x plus 4. And now here let us find the ordered pairs of this graph with the help of a table. And here we have 3 rows. The first and second row gives the values for x and y, and in the third row we are going to write the ordered pair for the values of x and y. Now let us assume the different values for x and find the corresponding y values. So first, if we consider the x value as 1, then we get the y value just by substituting in the equation y is equal to x plus 4. So on substituting, we get here y is equal to 1 plus 4. So by adding this, we get 5 as the value of y, and then we get the first order pair as 1, 5. Now let us consider the x value as 0. Then y value would be here 0 plus 4. That means we get 4. So the next order pair here would be 0, 4. And now let us consider some negative values for x. So if we take the x value as minus 5, then the y value would be minus 5 plus 4. So here minus 5 plus 4 would come as minus 1. And then we get the next order pair as minus 5, minus 1. And here if we take the x value as minus 3, then the y value would come as minus 3 plus 4. That implies we get 1 as the value of y. So here for the value of x as 3 and y as 1, we get the order pair as minus 3, 1. And now let us mark these order pairs in a graph sheet. So here we have a graph sheet, and we have considered the scale of x axis and y axis as 2 units. Now let us mark the order pair here. So first we have the order pair as 1, 5. So we get a point over here in the first quadrant. And then we have the next order pair as 0, 4. As here the x coordinate is 0, we get the point on the y axis over here. And now let us mark a point for the next order pair minus 5, minus 1 somewhere here in the third quadrant. And then we get a point somewhere here for the order pair minus 3, 1. Now let us join all these points. So we get a straight line for the equation y is equal to x plus 4. So here every point on the line satisfies the equation y is equal to x plus 4. And here this line separates the entire plane into 2 half planes. And now in order to find out the region that is indicated by the graph, we have to find out that the origin lies in the region represented by the graph or not. So here on substituting the coordinates of the origin, which is 0, 0, in the equation y is greater than or equal to x plus 4, that implies we get here 0 greater than or equal to 0 plus 4, and therefore this would come as 0 greater than or equal to 0 plus 4 would come as 4 here. We know that 0 is not greater than 4, and hence this is a false statement. So by this we can conclude that the origin does not lie in the half plane represented by the graph. So let us share here the opposite region to the origin, and here the boundary line, which is nothing but y is equal to x plus 4, lies in the region represented by the graph, and this boundary line is drawn with a heavy dark line. And therefore the solution set for this example is all the ordered pairs x, y such that the ordered pairs x, y belongs to R, and all the values of y should be greater than or equal to x plus 4. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on the graphs of linear inequations. Refer to more videos on our website vtechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.